In this video, we're going to explore effective database backup strategies, specifically focusing on MongoDB. We'll look at different approaches to backing up your MongoDB data to ensure reliability and enable disaster recovery. Let's discuss why database backups are so important. Firstly, hardware failures such as disk crashes, server failures, and other infrastructure issues can lead to significant data loss. Secondly, human errors including accidental deletions, incorrect updates, and operational mistakes can compromise your data. Security breaches such as malware and ransomware attacks can also cause unauthorized data modifications. Finally, natural disasters like floods, fires, or earthquakes can affect data center infrastructure, underscoring the critical need for robust backup strategies. Now let's explore the key MongoDB backup methods. We have logical backups, which involve exporting data using the MongoDB dump utility. Then we have physical backups where you copy the raw database files in storage. And finally, we have cloud backups, which provide automated backup solutions often available through MongoDB Atlas. Let's dive into logical backups using MongoDB dump. Here's how to use it. To backup an entire database, use the command MongoDB dump, specify the host as localhost, the port as 27017, the database as my database, and define an output path where the backup will be stored. To backup a specific collection, use the MongoDB dump command, specify the database, specify the collection such as users, and set the output path. Some key benefits include the human-readable BSIM format, cross-version compatibility, options for selective backups, network-based operations, and support for compression. Now let's explore physical backups with file system snapshots. First, stop MongoDB writes with the command database.fynclock. Next, create an LVM snapshot with the command create, specify the size as 10 GB, indicate it's a snapshot, name it Mongo Snapshot, and specify the logical volume path. Finally, resume MongoDB writes with the command database.fyncunlock. The key advantages of this approach include faster backup operations, point-in-time consistency, minimal downtime, block-level efficiency, and quick restore capabilities. Now we are going to explore cloud backups using MongoDB Atlas. Some features include automated scheduling, offering continuous backups with configurable retention policies. We also have cross-region replication, which provides geographic distribution for disaster recovery. There is also point-in-time recovery, allowing restoration to any specific moment within the retention window, and encrypted storage ensuring end-to-end encryption for backup data security. To conclude, let's explore some best practices for your backup strategy. First, implement a regular backup schedule, including automated daily backups with weekly full backups. Regularly test restores to verify backup integrity. Store backups in multiple geographic locations for redundancy. Finally, maintain clear documentation of recovery procedures and contact information. Here are the key takeaways from this video. Number 1. Choose a backup method based on your specific requirements. Number 2. Implement multiple backup strategies for comprehensive protection. Number 3. Regular testing ensures backup reliability when needed. And number 4. Automation reduces human error and ensures consistency. Remember, a robust backup strategy is your safety net against data disasters. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.